Hello students, in the last sessions we have discussed about derivative of implicit function. That means how we can find the derivative of implicit function. Okay. So let us today we are going to discuss about derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. That means how to find the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So this concept not included in first PUC. So but in second PUC derivative of inverse trigonometric is there. So already you know that inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So first of all, so find the derivative of find the derivative of y is equal to sine inverse of x. So we need to find the derivative of sine inverse of x. Okay. So solution. So y is equal to sine inverse of x. Okay. So by the properties of inverse trigonometric functions, this can be written as this implies sine y is equal to x. Okay. So we are changing by the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Now we are going to differentiate this. Okay. So now differentiate with respect to x. Now we are going to differentiate this sine of y with respect to x. That is, differentiation of sine y is what? Differentiation of sine y is cos y into integral d by dx of y. Okay, which is equal to derivative differentiation of d by dx of x. Okay, so that is, so cos y into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. So dy by dx, so which is equal to 1. Okay. So therefore dy by dx, so dy by dx which is equal to 1 by cos y. Okay. So but here in terms of derivative of x, so therefore we are going to change this is in terms of x. So that is, so we know that cos square theta, cos square y plus sin square or cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to what? Okay. So we are going to change this in terms of x. Okay. So that is why we are going to convert this one. Okay. So that is, suppose it is here y, then we are taking y. Okay. No problem. So standard formula. So here we are going to just apply y. Okay. So this is y. So that is, what about cos y? So cos y is equal to root of 1 minus sin square y in terms of sin. So because then we get in terms of x. Okay. So that is equal to, so dy by dx of 1 by, so this can be written as root of 1 minus sin square y. Okay. So this is dy by dx. So then dy by dx is equal to, suppose differentiation of dy by dx of dy by dx is equal to sin inverse of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So because, so we are taking sin y is equal to what? Sin y is equal to x. So therefore differentiation of this one is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So I don't. So just find the derivative of cos inverse of x. So similarly, so same. So that is, so y is equal to cos inverse of x. So this implies the property cos y is equal to x. Okay. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay. So then we get, so d by dx of cos y into d by dx of x. So that is, differentiation of cos y is minus sin y into differentiation of y is dy by dx. differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by sin y. Minus 1 by sin y. Okay. So again by this formula, so sin y is nothing but sin y is equal to root of 1 minus cos square y. Okay. So therefore, so this can be written as 1 by root of 1 minus cos square y. Cos square y. Okay. So then cos y is equal to x, that is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That means d by dx of derivative of cos x with respect to x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, right now. So next, find the derivative of y is equal to tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of x. Okay. So same type of problem. See here. So y is equal to tan inverse of x. So this is the property. Tan y is equal to x. So now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay. So then we get differentiation of tan y is, so that is differentiation of tan y is secant square y. Okay. That is secant square y. So we are taking d by dx of tan y is equal to d by dx of x. Okay. So this is secant square y into dy by dx, so this is equal to 1. So therefore, so dy by dx is equal to 1 by secant square y. 1 by secant square y. So again we have a formula 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square y is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus tan square y. We are taking y, so therefore we have y. Secant square y. So therefore secant square y can be written as 1 plus tan square y. 1 plus tan square y. So this is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus tan y is nothing but tan y is the x. So therefore 1 by 1 plus x2. That is d by dx of tan inverse of x. So that means derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Write down. So next, find the derivative of cot inverse of x. Cot inverse of x. So take it as over. Find the derivative similarly. Same type of method. So we are going to find this using same method. Okay. Take it as over. Okay. So next, I will go to next problem. So let's find the derivative of y is equal to secant inverse of x. Okay. So y is equal to secant inverse of x. So by the properties of the inverse trigonometric functions, this can be written as secant y is equal to x. So now to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is d by dx of secant y is equal to d by dx of x. Okay. So that is differentiate secant x is secant x into tan. That is secant y into tan y into dy by dx. So which is equal to 1. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by So secant y into tan y. Okay, so we are going to convert both the terms in terms of secant y. So because we have secant y is nothing but x. So therefore, again by the property 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. So therefore, so tan theta is nothing but, so that 1 minus secant square theta. So root of 1 minus secant square theta is tan theta. So by using trigonometric identities, so we can write it as tan theta can be written as root of 1 minus secant square theta. So that is, so tan y can be written as, so dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to 1 by secant y into root of 1 minus secant square y. Okay, so now by this, suppose it is taken as from 1, so for our convenience take from 1, from equation 1, so this can be written as dy by dx is equal to 1 by root of x into root of 1 minus x square, x into root of 1 minus x square. So therefore, so dy by dx of secant inverse of x is equal to 1 by root of x into root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so this is the derivative of secant inverse of x. Okay, so write down. So here, so there is a mistake. So this is x square minus 1, x square minus 1. So observe here. So there is a small mistake. So see here, secant we are going to tan x, tan theta. So tan theta. Okay. So therefore, so remove this. Tan theta is given. So tan theta is equal to. So take this one into here. That is secant square theta minus 1. So that is root of secant square theta minus 1. Okay. So please excuse this. So that is secant square y minus 1. Okay. So then it is x square minus 1. So then this is x square minus 1. Okay? So change it. So next find the derivative of cosecant inverse of x. Cosecant inverse of x. Okay. So now, so y is equal to cosecant inverse of x. So that is, this implies cosecant y is equal to x. So now differentiate with respect to x. So we are going to differentiate this with respect to x. Then we get, so dy by dx of cosecant y is equal to dy by dx of x. So this is, so differentiation of cosecant theta. So minus cosecant theta, cosecant y into odd y, cosecant y into odd y. So which is equal to into dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay, so now dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by cosecant y into cot y. Cosecant y into cot y. So we are going to convert it into in terms of cosecant y. Cot y can be converted into cosecant y. Okay, so because cosecant y is equal to x. So therefore, so again 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosecant square theta. Okay. So therefore, cot theta can be written as, this implies cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. That is root of cosecant square theta minus 1. So therefore, so this becomes, so dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by cosecant y into root of cosecant square y minus 1. Okay, so this is 1 by cosecant y is equal to what? So that is x. So that is x into root of x square minus 1. Okay. So therefore dy by dx of cosecant inverse of x. Cosecant inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by root of x into root of x square minus 1. Okay. So these are the standard formula. So now we are going to use these are standard formula. Okay. So write down. Next question. So note down this formula. Okay, as note. So note. Okay. So these are the standard formula. Now we are going to use this formula as standard formula. So d by dx of sine inverse of x. So that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So then d by dx of cos inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So d by dx of okay. So tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by root plus x square. Okay. So similarly, so d by dx of cot x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So similarly, d by dx of secant inverse of x. So it is equal to 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. So and so write this is here. So d by dx of cosecant inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Okay. So now we are going to use these formulas as standard formula. So write down this and put it into box. So important formula for remember this formula. Okay. So we have proved that. We are also proved that. So now we are going to use these formulas as standard formulas. So 1 by 1 minus x square, cos inverse of x is minus 1 by 1 minus x square. So what is the difference between this one and this one? See observe carefully. Okay. So then tan inverse of x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, and cot inverse of x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So carefully observe the difference between the derivative of tan inverse of x and cot inverse of x. Don't confuse. Similarly, secant inverse of x. So derivative of secant inverse of x. So what is the difference between these two? Here 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. So here there is a negative minus 1 is there. Yeah. Okay. Next problem. Now we shall discuss some derivative of inverse trigonometric function. So using this formula. Okay. First one, find the derivative of differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Condition is given minus 1 less than x less than 1. Okay. So this is the condition. Okay. So solution. is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Okay. So condition is also given. So by this interval only this is defined. So that is why they are given conditions. So don't bother about that. Okay. So that is, so now let R put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. So this implied theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay. So now the given equation becomes y is equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So why we are going to put x is equal to tan theta? So we have a direct formula, standard formula, that is sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So our intention is convert the given terms in terms of sin. So therefore, so now this become y is equal to sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Okay, so in the given interval it's satisfied. Okay, so then theta is also become satisfied. So therefore, we are going to directly vanish these two terms, that is y is equal to 2 theta. So now we get a simplified form. So that is, so theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. That is y is equal to 2 into tan inverse of x. Y is equal to 2 into tan inverse of x. So this is defined in the given interval. Okay. So this is also due to the given interval only it is satisfied. Okay. So therefore, so now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We are going to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of 2 into tan inverse of x. So therefore, so constant, take it outside, 2 into dy by dx of tan inverse of x. So therefore, so differentiation of this is 2 divided by 1 in 1 by 1 plus x square. So therefore, derivative of this is, that is dy by dx of sin inverse of x. So this is finally, so this is derivative of, so dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Right now. So now next problem, find the derivative of y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So condition is given 0 less than x less than 1. Okay. So in this interval only the derivative of the cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by x square exists. Okay. So solution. So y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 plus x square. Okay. So to convert the given term into sin theta or in terms of cos theta. So therefore, so put x is equal to tan theta. So this implies this theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So now the given equation becomes, so y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So this becomes y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. Again we have a formula cos 2 theta. So therefore this can be as cos 2 theta. Okay. So this vanishes. So due to the region that is 0 less than x less than 1. So if you convert it into in terms of theta, so then it lies in the interval. So therefore, so this and vanishes, we get cos y is equal to 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. So then theta is divided. So theta is equal to y is equal to 2 into theta is equal to what here? Tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. So now we are going to differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. That is, so dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So therefore, derivative of 1 y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square is 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, right now. So next, finally, differentiate with respect to x, y is equal to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So condition is good. Minus 1 less than x less than 1. Okay. So now, so already we have, so that is y is equal to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Okay. So put x is equal to tan theta. So this equation theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. Is it clear? So now the given equation becomes y is equal to cos inverse of 2 theta 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So now we have a formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So therefore, the term inside the bracket becomes y is equal to cos inverse of sin 2 theta. Okay, so this is in terms of cos, this is in terms of sin. So therefore, we are going to convert this in terms of cos. Okay, so that is y is equal to cos inverse of pi minus 2 theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. So because cos of pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but what? Is nothing but sin theta. So therefore, so we are going to convert this. So cos sin 2 theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus theta. So now these two terms get vanishes. So due to the reason, due to the given condition, so that is vanishes. That is y is equal to we left with pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So now differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is so dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So that is, so separate differentiate dy by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 into dy by dx of, so theta is nothing but here what? Theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. So therefore we directly take theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. So theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. So here also tan inverse of x. Okay. So now differentiate 2 into differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. So So therefore, so dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. So differentiation of constant. So pi by 2 is a constant. So therefore, it is 0. We left with minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is the derivative of the given function. Okay, now. Next follow. Differentiate with respect to x. Y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. 1 minus x square. So condition is given minus 1 by root 3. So less than x less than 1 by root 3. Okay. So this is the given condition. Okay, so now we are going to differentiate this. So y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. 1 minus 3x square. Okay, so given condition is there. So now put x is equal to tan theta. So this implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay. So now the given equation is y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay. So we have my formula. Okay. So tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So we have the formula. Okay, multiplying the formula. So therefore, so now the given term can be traced to tan inverse of tan 3 theta. So these two terms get vanishes. So that is y is equal to 3 theta. So definitely. So if the given condition, so minus 1 divided by root into x less than 1 by root 3. So this implies 3 theta lies between. So pi by 2 minus pi by 2 less than 3 theta less pi by 2. Okay. So by this region only. Okay. So directly we are going to write tan inverse of tan theta is equal to 3 theta. Okay. So then y is equal to 3 into theta is equal to what here? Tan inverse of x. Okay. So you can't write this because due to the given it only satisfies this. Okay. So then y differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So then we get dy by dx is equal to 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So therefore, so this is the derivative of the given function. Okay. So right now. Next one. Next, find the derivative of or differentiate with respect to x. So y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. So given condition is 0 less than x less than 1 by root 2. Less than 1 by root 2. Okay. See solution. Y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. Okay. So now our intention is to convert the given terms in terms of secant. Okay. So therefore, what is the suitable substitution here? So that is x is equal to cos theta. X is equal to cos theta. So then we get 2 cos square theta minus 1. So okay. So this implies theta is equal to cos inverse of x. So we have standard formula. So cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We have a standard formula. Okay. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Again cos 2 theta is one more formula, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So but here we are going to use this formula. So because again we get, so in terms of cos it become 1 by cos is equal to what? Secant. They are reciprocal relation. So they are reciprocal to each other. So therefore we are going to write this in terms of cos. Okay. So therefore I am taking this is cos theta. That's all. Okay. So that is y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. So which is equal to y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1 can be written as cos 2 theta. Okay. So by the reciprocal relation, 1 by cos theta is equal to what? Secant theta. So basic trigonometric formula. Okay. So now this can be written as, so given term become, so y is equal to secant inverse of secant 2 theta. So by the given conditions, so this satisfies. So theta satisfies the conditions. So therefore these two terms get vanishes. So we left with y is equal to 2 theta. Okay. So therefore y is equal to 2 into theta is equal to what here? So theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Okay. So cos inverse of x. So now we are going to differentiate it. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So then we get, so dy by dx is equal to 2 into differentiation is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So therefore this is the derivative of given function. Okay, I did. So next problem. So y is equal to sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So condition is given here. So that is minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by plus 2. Okay. So y is equal to sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So put x is equal to sine theta. Okay. So because we are going to convert it into in terms of sine. Okay. So this implies theta is equal to sine inverse of x. So therefore the given equation becomes y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta into root of 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. So root of 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos theta. Okay. So therefore, which is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So now we have started from the sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So therefore, which is equal to y is equal to sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Okay. So by the given conditions, it satisfies. That means 2 theta lies between. Okay. So this is equal to y is equal to 2 theta. So because given condition 1 by root 2 root x less than 1 by root 2. Okay. So 2 theta. So that means 2 theta lies between. Okay. So pi by 2 minus pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than pi by 2. Okay. So therefore, we are write this as y is equal to 2 theta. So then y is equal to 2 into theta is equal to what here? Sin inverse of x. Okay. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So then we get dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So we are going to discuss many problems. So I want to give some problems as homework. You should solve at your own. Okay. Write down. So homework. So first one is differentiate with respect to x. So y is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. The condition is given. So that is 0 less than x less than 1. Okay, so next one problem. So second one. So differentiate with respect to x. Y is equal to cos inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. So where minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by root 2. Okay. So one more is, so third one is differentiate with respect to x. So y is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. So condition is given minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 1 by 2. Okay. So we will solve at your home. So this completes the derivative of inverse derivative functions. In the next sessions we are going to discuss about derivative of exponential function.